Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we keep you in the loop with honest, expert-level beauty reviews. Today, we're exploring Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Moisturizing Body Oil with Vitamin E and Rosehip fragrance. If you've been struggling with dry skin, scars, or stretch marks, this body oil could be a game changer. So stick with me, and let's see if it lives up to the hype. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews. This product claims to offer 48-hour moisture, helping improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, and fine lines. The formula features cocoa butter, argan oil, and a mix of other ingredients to hydrate and rejuvenate skin, promoting a healthier-looking complexion. It's also crafted with sustainable ingredients, which I always love to see in skincare products. Whether you're dealing with dry skin, aging concerns, or scarring, this promises to tackle multiple skin woes in one go. Now, let's dive deeper into how this oil performs in real life. I've been using this product for a few weeks now, applying it after my shower to lock in moisture. The first thing I noticed was the texture. It's not too thick, yet it provides a rich, moisturizing feel without leaving a greasy residue. The Rosehip fragrance is subtle but pleasant, offering a fresh, natural scent that's not overpowering. In terms of application, the oil absorbs into the skin pretty quickly, which I appreciated since I don't want to be waiting forever to get dressed. I focused it on areas with visible scars and stretch marks, and I must say, over time, the skin definitely feels smoother and more hydrated. I didn't see any dramatic overnight changes, but after consistent use, I noticed that my skin appeared softer and more even-toned. For those with eczema-prone skin, this might be a good option because it feels gentle and nourishing. One downside, though, the bottle itself can be a little tricky to control. Since it's an oil, you have to be careful not to spill too much. That being said, it's a minor issue compared to the product's overall performance. So let's break it down. The pros are definitely the high-quality, natural ingredients: cocoa butter, argan oil, and vitamin E, which are fantastic for hydration and improving skin's elasticity. Plus, it has a pleasant fragrance that doesn't overpower your senses. The cons are mostly related to the packaging, which could be more user-friendly, and if you're not keen on oils, the texture might feel a bit too heavy for daily use. In terms of value for money, Palmer's is a brand you can generally count on for good quality at an affordable price. This body oil is no exception. At 5.1 ounces, it's priced reasonably for a product that features premium ingredients. I'd say it's definitely worth it if you're looking for an affordable, all-around body oil that targets multiple skin issues. If you're eyeing a similar product that's a bit lighter in texture, you might want to check out the Neutrogena body oil. It's a bit more lightweight and provides great moisture, though it's not as rich in ingredients as Palmer's. But for the price, Palmer's offers great value and performance. I've been pretty impressed with how well this product works for my skin, especially when it comes to keeping it moisturized and smooth. I haven't noticed any drastic changes to my stretch marks or scars, but that they do seem to be less noticeable with regular use. If you're after an oil that can tackle dry skin and skin imperfections, this one's worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Thank you for joining me today. If you've used Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Body Oil, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Let's chat about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.